Two of the most popular ways to borrow in 2026, one major decision, home loan or personal loan, which one really delivers? On the left, the big-ticket, low-rate home loan secured by your property. And on the right, the fast, flexible personal loan ready for just about any need. Let's skip the jargon and dig into real-life pros and cons. Each category earns points, so by the end you'll know exactly which loan fits best for your goals. The winner isn't as obvious as you might think. Alright, before we get deep into it, here's the roadmap for today. We're gonna compare these two on a bunch of key angles: interest rates and cost of borrowing, loan amount and tenure, security and risk, speed and ease of approval, use case and flexibility, eligibility and credit profile impact, and wrap up with when is each better. Got all that? Let's roll. Let's jump right in with interest rates, and honestly this one's a biggie. A home loan typically comes with much lower interest rates, like impressively lower compared to a personal loan, because your house is on the line as collateral. It's not just the rate either. Mortgage terms can be fixed for years, which is awesome for planning. And if you're borrowing a large amount, the long-term savings versus a personal loan are asterisk huge. But there's always a but. Upfront fees, appraisals, closing costs, a little bit of paperwork overhead, so yeah, you might pay more at the very start. Plus, even with a low rate, stretching payments over decades means you'll still pay a lot of interest in total. Now, personal loans, they're way cheaper than credit cards, so that's great. And you can lock in a fixed rate for peace of mind. But reality check, average APRs can be way higher than a home loan, especially if your credit isn't perfect. And with shorter terms and higher rates, your monthly payment might feel steep for a big loan. So who nabs it? The home loan clearly has the advantage on cost. Now, loan size and how long you get to pay it off. With a home loan, you can borrow crazy big amounts, sometimes enough to buy, well, a house. We're talking hundreds of thousands depending on your equity and property value. And those 15, 20, even 30-year terms, it's how people make those big numbers work month to month. Downsides? Sure, a long commitment means you're carrying that debt for a while. Also, if you want to refinance, it's not as simple as just calling your bank. As for personal loans, they're usually best for amounts between $1,000 to about $100,000, which is solid for, say, paying off credit cards or covering that emergency vet bill. The big benefit? You pay them off in 2 to 7 years, so you're not in debt forever. But the monthly payment is higher if you borrow big, and yeah, you'll never get the massive amounts you can with a home loan. Basically, for pure size and repayment flexibility, the home loan wins again. Let's talk about what's really at stake, literally, security and risk. With a home loan, the lender's got your house as backup. That can actually work in your favor. You could get approved for a bigger amount even with so-so credit. Lower rates too, but this isn't monopoly money. We're talking about your actual home. You miss too many payments, foreclosure is a real possibility. You're also using up your home equity, which can matter down the line. Personal loan is a totally different vibe. It's basically unsecured, no collateral, no strings attached to your house or car or anything. Honestly, that's a huge relief for a lot of folks. If life throws you a curveball and you miss payments, at least your home isn't on the line. The catch? Lenders take on more risk, so they charge higher rates, especially if your credit isn't great. So if protecting your home is the deal breaker, personal loan gets the point here. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know, for a $50,000 loan over 5 years, a home loan could be more than $100 a month cheaper than a personal loan? That adds up to like thousands of dollars saved by the end. Seriously, wild difference. What about approval? Here, where things get interesting. Home loans, you're gonna need some patience. There are like a million docs to submit, appraisals, all the title work, and closing can take weeks. If you're refinancing and already a customer, sometimes it's smoother, but it's no same-day deal. Tenure, great for a planned home purchase or a big, scheduled expense, but not if you need the money like yesterday. Personal loans, night and day. Many lenders go same day or next day funding once you're approved, and the applications are a breeze, often totally online. Perfect if you're facing an emergency or you just want to get moving on, say, booking that flight. Downside is, with this speed comes higher rates and, let's be honest, the temptation to borrow a bit too easily. Fast wins, personal loan takes it for speed and ease. Alright, flexibility and how you can actually use the money. Home loans, they're tailored for big, property-related expenses. Think buying a home, serious renovations, maybe a giant improvement project. Sometimes, even the tax man gives you a break on home loan interest if you use it for upgrades. But if you just want to fund a wedding or cover medical bills, it's a no-go. Not designed for smaller one-off needs. Now, personal loans, this is where they shine. Need money for a trip, a medical emergency, covering tuition, consolidating debt, or just about anything else? Totally fair game, very few restrictions. And even renters or folks without property can apply. Only hitch, you're usually not getting any tax deduction, and they're not so great if you dream of buying a 5-bedroom house. Bottom line, for sheer versatility, personal loan wins out. Let's talk getting approved and what these loans do to your credit. Home loans often take into account your property value and equity, so even if your credit score isn't superstar level, your house is there as collateral, which opens up some options. Plus, making regular payments can really help your long-term credit health. Of course, there's a paperwork mountain to climb, income proofs, valuations, and so on, and if your debt-to-income is high, you could be out of luck. With personal loans, a lot of lenders are pretty flexible with credit scores. Sometimes mid-500s can get you in, although best rates are for higher scores. The good thing is, it clears on your file fairly fast if you pay on time, which can bump up your credit mix. But heads up, your rate and loan size will swing pretty wildly based on your profile, and applying to too many lenders at once, that could ding your score temporarily. Honestly, both can fit in different spots depending on your credit life, so we're calling this one a draw. Alright, let's bring it home. When is each option actually better? If you need a lot of money for a long time, want those low payments, and you're fine with using your home as collateral, home loan is the obvious answer. It's made for big, life-changing stuff. Just don't expect to use it for fixing your car or covering a quick expense. But if time matters and collateral is a hard no, plus you're borrowing a manageable amount and want it paid off relatively soon. Personal loan, it's flexible, fast, and best if you care more about speed and access than getting the lowest possible interest rate. It really comes down to your priorities and risk comfort, and on this round, it's a tie. Let's zoom out for a sec and see how both stack up across all the big categories. Home loans absolutely dominate when you need size and the lowest possible cost, but personal loans fight back hard on speed, flexibility, and security, especially for people who don't want to risk their home. So after all that, here's my take. Go for a home loan if you need a big, long-term, property-related loan and you want the best possible rates and don't mind pledging your house. But if you prize speed, flexibility, and keeping things simple, personal loan is your best friend, even if you'll pay a bit more in the end. Both have their place, just depends what matters most to you. Did this breakdown help? Save it or share it before you start your loan hunt so you can pick the option that really fits your goals, not just what the ads tell you. Good luck out there.